If you are looking for the best Allen wrench set, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Tecton Hex Key Wrench Set. There is much to love about this hex key wrench set. For example, the set comes with 30 pieces of Allen wrenches, 15 customary and 15 metric hex wrenches. The many sizes mean that the chances of including the ideal tool for your project are very high. Therefore, if you usually come across a wide range of hex bolts in your project, picking this set will be a wise idea. Just like the before models on the list, these Allen wrenches come with rugged heat-treated steel construction for maximum strength and added durability. Number 2. REXBETI Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. This premium set contains 26 pieces of durably constructed wrenches. The heat-treated S2 steel construction lets you buy the set with confidence that it will provide ultimate strength and great performance. This type of construction is more solid than the conventional chrome vanadium steel to suit the more demanding applications. The set includes one universal T-head handle that attaches to one end of the hex wrench easily to allow you to tighten and loosen bolts quickly. Number 3. Tecton Long Arm Ball End Hex Key Wrench Set. Also coming from Tecton, this is yet another hex key set you can count on to deliver value for your money. However, unlike the earlier sibling that comes with 30 pieces, this set equips 26 pieces. The wrenches are of common sizes, which means that it will be hard for you to miss the right size for your application. The chrome vanadium steel construction means that you can count on this set to serve you for years to come. The black oxide finish will not give in to corrosion and/or chip off even when under high-stress contact. Number 4. Amazon Basics Hex Key Allen Wrench Set. Just like the preceding model, this set comes with 26 pieces of Allen wrenches. With this number, you are sure that it will work in nearly any hex bolt you come across in your operations. The pieces come in both standard and metric measurements for increased user convenience. The keys are of rugged chrome vanadium steel, which means that they will not bend even under heavy applications. I mean, the solid construction will stand up to daily abuse in a busy job site. Number 5. Bondis 20199 Balldriver. It doesn't matter the type of repair you are targeting, provided that you need a hex key that can support maximum torque. Bondis 20199 is probably the most ideal choice for you. And since it is made in the United States, you can buy with peace of mind that the quality will not disappoint. These Allen wrenches are made with protanium steel that makes it 20% stronger than the competition. The extra rugged construction also means that even the smallest wrench sizes will not bend even when you apply massive torque.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.